Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on Cash App. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Cash App application on your device, and once it is opened up, you might be asked to log into your account if you haven't done so already. Just use your phone number or your email address, and if you have already logged in, you might be asked to use your PIN code or your biometrics. After logging in through either one of these options, you will be taken into your home page, from which if you wish to change your email address, you will need to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. From this page, tap on Personal underneath Account and Settings, and now you will find your contact info. Just tap on your email address within this and you will see the Remove Email option. Before tapping on Remove Email, you will first need to add another email address by tapping on Add an Email Address. You will then be asked to enter the new email address that you wish to add. Just type in your preferred new email address and tap on the next button. And now you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your new email address. Just check your inbox and you will find the verification code, and after entering this code, tap on the next button. You will now see that the new email address has been added. After this email address has successfully been added, go ahead and tap on your old email address and then tap on the Remove Email option. You will now see that your old email address has successfully been removed from your account, and now you can come back to this menu as many times as you want in order to change your email address. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address on the Cash App application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.